Hello, welcome back to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change hotspot password on a Motorola GR6 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. And yeah guys, first thing first that you have to do here, you just have to open the settings applications first. And after, go to the first option, which is network and internet. Now click to the hotspot and tethering. We'll see here the Wi-Fi hotspot, tap on it. Now if you want to change your hotspot password, we'll see here the hotspot password option, tap on it. And yeah, this is my default hotspot password. I'm gonna delete it and I'm gonna make a new password for my hotspot. And now tap on OK to save it. And yeah, now my hotspot password is already changed, yeah guys. And to enter to this page, we have another ways, yeah guys, the easier ways. I'm gonna open my control center like this, and I'm gonna shift into the right, and we'll see here the hotspot option. Just tap on it and press it for a second, and we'll enter to this Wi-Fi hotspot page again. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Goodbye.